In this video, I'll show you how to find new ton meme coins on Dexscreener. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, on Dexscreener, if you want to find the new meme coins that are launched on Ton blockchain, what you need to do, you need to scroll down gradually, right? This is the ton. Click on this ton. Once I've clicked on the ton, you'll be able to see a whole lot of new tokens, right? So you're going to click on this new page. Once I've clicked on this new page, wait for it to load. Click on the newest. Once it has opened up, you'll be able to see a whole lot of new tokens that are launched here on Tom, right? So I'm gonna do this. Let's be in the top 5 minutes, last 5 minutes. So you see newly launched Tom tokens right here, right? Wait for it to load. I think once it has opened up, so you can see there's a whole lot of tokens right here. This token is 2 hour old, 3 hours, 6 hour, 13 hours, and a whole lot of them. So this is how you can find new ton meme coins on Dexscreener. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.